Are you looking for the best video cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the best video cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro HER05 Black. The GoPro HER05's compact size makes it by far the best video camera for travel. The value here is pretty much unbeatable as, for a relatively low price, you get a video camera that's loaded with features, is easy to use, durable, waterproof, and captures great sound and images. While GoPro cameras, somewhat like fine binocular cameras, are traditionally thought of as belonging to the realm of surfers, mountain bikers, and other adventure sports enthusiasts, thanks to the company's dedication to constant improvement, this mini beast can truly satisfy anyone's video camera needs. And even if you're not going to take this camera down the slopes or into the sea, you will still benefit from the features that make it a favorite for active people. The stability control is second to none. The camera is incredibly durable and waterproof, and a range of mounts means you can get very creative with your camera angles. You'll be giving up optical zoom with this camera, but otherwise, the GoPro HER05 goes toe-to-toe with many of the best video cameras out there with 4K capability, the ability to shoot 30 frames per second in normal mode, and up to 120 FPS in slow-motion mode, 12 MP photo capture ability, a backside illuminated image sensor that captures top-quality sharp images in poor lighting, a microSD slot, and about 2 hours of battery life running at 1080p at 50 FPS. On top of that, you get a bunch of goodies including built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, touchscreen controls and editing, loop recording, time-lapse photo capture, and voice control that lets you simply speak your commands to the camera to free up your hands. To top it all off, it has 3 built-in mix-and software that combines the best of what each of them captures to provide truly impressive sound. All this at an impressively low price as well makes it the video camera to beat. You can compare it to the best instant film camera if you are torn between the two. Number 2. Kicteck Video Camera Full HD. When it comes to choosing an affordable, yet feature-packed video camera, it's hard to beat this little gem. Its flip-out screen, dual rechargeable batteries, South Dakota card slot, and additional bonuses like face detection and smile capture mean you truly get a lot for a little. While the GoPro HER05 gives you maximum features for a low price, this budget video camera by Kicteck is perfect for those who don't need all the bells and whistles of that model, but still want a solid little camcorder for half the price. First, the specs. The camera can capture full HD video at 15 FPS with a 24 MP CMOS image sensor. It has a 3.0-inch screen that rotates 270 degrees. Its software features include anti-shaking plus face and smile recognition, and it has a 16x digital zoom. If FPS isn't a big deal for you, then you'll want to see our making on a budget. Beyond that, we like this camera because its small, lightweight size means you can slip it into your pocket. Yet the flip-out screen gives you a generous 3-inch display, which trumps even the GoPro. One of the more fun features of this budget beauty is that if you connect the camera to your computer via USB cable and use it as a webcam, in addition to its built-in front LED light, you can also attach an external light, although you won't be able to do the same with an external mic, which is a shame because the sound quality on recordings made with this camera average at best. So it may not be one of the greatest vlogging cameras, and certainly not the best vlogging cameras under $300. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ84K Digital Camera. This Panasonic powerhouse is one of the best affordable cameras with a 16x optical zoom lens, making it the best video camera for sports shooting. But you might want to compare this digital camera to a flip camera to see if it does what you need. While that long zoom might cause shake and blur on other cameras, Panasonic's image stabilization software delivers smooth, vivid photos even when the lens is completely extended. Oftentimes, when you buy a camera that's also a camcorder, you wind up sacrificing one or the other. Not so with this 2-in-1 from Panasonic. Its most impressive feature by far is the 16x optical zoom. Combined with great stabilization software, which makes it a good camera for shooting soccer and other sports matches. It can also shoot both photos and video in 4K, and it even allows you to shoot video and then choose a still shot from the stream of images to keep. Its burst mode can capture 30 FPS in 4K, which is a pretty impressive feat. Although, pit the Sony RX100 against the Panasonic DMCL F1 to see which is better. The camera has a nice hand feel, too, with a bumped-out grip below the shutter button. Adding to this camera's value is built-in Wi-Fi, a very sensitive sensor that allows for impressive low-light shots, using up to an ISO of 6400, a focus stacking feature that lets you adjust focus or depth of field after you shoot, both an optical and digital viewfinder, and the ability to use a variety of effects and filters, including expressive, retro, silky monochrome, impressive art, toy pop, bleach bypass, miniature effect, and many more. You may also want the best photo box for your photography needs. Number 4. Canon VIXIA HFR 800 Portable Video Camera. This camera, apart from the others on our list, the incredible 32x optical zoom and the ability to record in the MP4 format. The first feature is wedded to Canon's Super Range Image Stabilizer, which makes even very zoomed-in recordings look smooth, while the second allows users to upload videos directly to YouTube and other social media sites, without the need to convert the file type. Now, just couple it with the finest Canon lens for video, and you're gold. This Canon boasts a 57x zoom, but it's important to understand that 25x of that is a digital zoom. Still, that leaves you with a crazy 32x optical zoom, which should let you get up close and personal with pretty much any subject. It can also be set to capture input in the MP4 format at 35 FPS, which not only allows it to take very high-quality videos, but also makes it perfect if you want to upload your videos to YouTube or other popular video sites without having to convert it. When it comes to operating the camera, options are intuitive and simple, and the flip-out LCD touchscreen gets high marks for its visibility even in bright light. Another interesting stand-apart feature of this camera is something Canon calls highlight priority mode, which can correct overly bright backgrounds so that you can capture more details. If you want a camera for adventure, look at the best action camera. Number 5. Sony a51 16-50mm interchangeable lens camera. Thanks to fast autofocus, excellent low light capabilities, small form factor, and an interchangeable lens, this camera is a top pick for crafting videos on the fly. It also performs with the best in low-light scenarios. This Sony setup truly brings you the best combination of camera and camcorder we've seen. Not only do you have a screen that flips out and rotates 180 degrees, but the super fast autofocus and interchangeable lenses work in both still image and video mode. You also get built-in Wi-Fi and near-field communication, NFC. With the right app on your smartphone, you'll be able to instantly import and edit photos from the camera, thanks to the Wi-Fi functionality, or you can simply tap the camera on your phone if it features NFC. This camera also excels at taking video in low light, thanks to its big image sensor that provides way up to an astounding 25,600. And while cameras can sometimes be more unwieldy to use as video shooters, this one is specially designed for one-handed operation and is also pretty lightweight, coming in at just 0.62